What is the primary objective of financial accounting? A. To record government policies. B. To measure employee performance. C. To provide financial information to stakeholders. D. To calculate income tax. Answer: C. To provide financial information to stakeholders. Which concept in commerce states that business and owner are separate entities? A. Dual aspect concept. B. Business entity concept. C. Cost concept. D. Accrual concept. Answer: B. Business entity concept. Which market structure has only one seller? A. Perfect competition. B. Monopolistic competition. C. Monopoly. D. Oligopoly. Answer: C. Monopoly. Which term refers to the total market value of all final goods and services produced within a country? A. GNP. B. NNP. C. GDP. D. National income. Answer: C. GDP. Which tax is applied on the manufacture and sale of goods and services in India? A. Income tax. B. GST. C. Customs duty. D. Excise duty. Answer: B. GST. What is the process of dividing work into small tasks and assigning them to individuals? A. Delegation. B. Departmentation. C. Specialization. D. Centralization. Answer: C. Specialization. Which term refers to the portion of profit distributed to shareholders? A. Bonus. B. Royalty. C. Dividend. D. Commission. Answer: C. Dividend. Which accounting principle states that revenue should be recorded when earned? A. Conservatism principle. B. Matching principle. C. Accrual principle. D. Cost principle. Answer: C. Accrual principle. Which of the following is an example of a current asset? A. Machinery. B. Buildings. C. Inventory. D. Patents. Answer: C. Inventory. Which term refers to selling products directly to consumers? A. Wholesale trade. B. Retail trade. C. Export trade. D. Import trade. Answer: B. Retail trade. Which document is used by a seller to demand payment from a buyer? A. Invoice. B. Receipt. C. Voucher. D. Check. Answer: A. Invoice. Which term refers to the A. Money invested by the owner in a business. A. Liability. B. Capital. C. Asset. D. Reserve. Answer: B. Capital. Which of the following is a direct tax in India? A. GST. B. Excise duty. C. Income tax. D. Customs duty. Answer: C. Income tax. Which function of management involves setting goals and preparing strategies? A. Planning. B. Staffing. C. Directing. D. Controlling. Answer: A. Planning. Which financial statement shows a company's assets, liabilities, and capital? A. Cash flow statement. B. Profit or loss account. C. Balance sheet. D. Trial balance. Answer: C. Balance sheet. Which market structure involves many sellers offering differentiated products? A. Monopoly. B. Oligopoly. C. Perfect competition. D. Monopolistic competition. Answer: D. Monopolistic competition. Which term represents the cost of borrowing money? A. Profit. B. Interest. C. Dividend. D. Capital. Answer: B. Interest. Which of the following is considered a fixed asset? A. Cash. B. Debtors. C. Land and building. D. Inventory. Answer: C. Land and building. What does IPO stand for in commerce? A. Internal price order. B. International payment option. C. Initial public offering. D. Investment purchase offer. Answer: C. Initial public offering. Which book is used to record credit purchases of goods? A. Sales book. B. Cash book. C. Purchase book. D. Journal proper. Answer: C. Purchase book. Which term refers to the total quantity of goods a seller is willing to sell at a given price? A. Demand. B. Supply. C. Utility. D. Stock. Answer: B. Supply. Which financial ratio measures a company's ability to meet short-term obligations? A. Debt ratio. B. Profit ratio. C. Current ratio. D. Activity ratio. Answer: C. Current ratio. Which form of business organization is owned by shareholders? A. Partnership. B. Sole proprietorship. C. Joint Hindu family. D. Joint stock company. Answer: D. Joint stock company. Which type of tax is charged on imported goods? A. Excise duty. B. GST. C. Customs duty. D. Service tax. Answer: C. Customs duty. Which factor of production includes tools, machinery, and equipment? A. Land. B. Labor. C. Capital. D. Enterprise. Answer C. Capital. Which document is issued by the bank when a customer deposits money? A. Check. B. Pay-in slip. C. Invoice. D. Bill of exchange. Answer B. Pay-in slip. Why? Which term refers to goods bought for resale? A. Assets. B. Purchasers. C. Expensers. D. Capital goods. Answer B. Purchasers. What is the main objective of marketing? A. To increase production. B. To satisfy customer needs. C. To hire employees. D. To reduce expenses. Answer B. To satisfy customer needs. Which type of partner contributes capital but does not participate in day-to-day activities? A. Sleeping partner. B. Active partner. C. Secret partner. D. Minor partner. Answer A. Sleeping partner. Which financial statement shows profit or loss of a business? A. Balance sheet. B. Ledger. C. Trial balance. D. Profit and loss account. Answer D. Profit and loss account. Which term refers to the reduction in the value of a fixed asset over time? A. Appreciation. B. Depreciation. C. Amortization. D. Allocation. Answer B. Depreciation. Which organization regulates the stock market in India? A. RBI. B. IRDAI. C. SEBI. D. NABARD. Answer C. SEBI. Which book of accounts records cash receipts and cash payments? A. Purchase book. B. Sales book. C. Cash book. D. Journal proper. Answer C. Cash book. Which principle states that business should record expenses related to the revenue of the same period? A. Going concern principle. B. Matching principle. C. Cost principle. D. Conservatism principle. Answer B. Matching principle. Which term represents the amount paid to workers for their services? A. Rent. B. Interest. C. Wages. D. Dividend. Answer C. Wages. Which form of business is owned, controlled, and managed by one person? A. Partnership. B. Cooperative society. C. Sole proprietorship. D. Joint stock company. Answer C. Sole proprietorship. Which financial instrument represents a loan made by an investor to a company or government? A. Share. B. Bond. C. Dividend. D. Bill. Answer B. Bond. Which type A of advertisement uses internet-based platforms to promote products? A. Outdoor advertisement. B. Online advertisement. C. Print advertisement. D. Radio advertisement. Answer B. Online advertisement. Which of the following is an intangible asset? A. Furniture. B. Machinery. C. Goodwill. D. Inventory. Answer C. Goodwill. Which term refers to expenses that do not change with the level of production? A. Variable costs. B. Fixed costs. C. Semi-variable costs. D. Marginal costs. Answer B. Fixed costs. Which term refers to the difference between total revenue and total cost? A. Turnover. B. Profit. C. Capital. D. Liability. Answer B. Profit. Which authority issues currency notes in India except 1 rupee note? A. Ministry of Finance. B. RBI. C. SEBI. D. NABARD. Answer B. RBI. Which document is used to transport goods by road? A. Airway bill. B. Bill of lading. C. Railway receipt. D. Lorry receipt. Answer D. Lorry receipt. Which type of market has a few sellers and many buyers? A. Monopoly. B. Oligopoly. C. Duopoly. D. Perfect competition. Answer B. Oligopoly. Which term is used for the bank account where overdraft facility is allowed? A. Savings account. B. Current account. C. Fixed deposit account. D. Recurring deposit account. Answer B. Current account. Which accounting concept assumes that a business will continue its operations for a long period? A. Cost concept. B. Matching concept. C. Going concern concept. D. Realization concept. Answer C. Going concern concept. Which term refers to goods returned by customers to the seller? A. Purchase return. B. Sales return. C. Damaged goods. D. Carriage outward. Answer B. Sales return. Which of the following is a source of long-term finance? A. Bank overdraft. B. Trade credit. C. Debentures. D. Cash credit. Answer C. Debentures. Which tax is levy on the income of individuals and businesses? A. GST. B. Income tax. C. Service tax. D. VAT. Answer B. Income tax. What does CRM stand for in business? A. Customer resource management. B. Client relation measure. C. Customer relationship management. D. Company revenue model. Answer C. Customer relationship management.